In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send objects to back or front in Figma Slides. Mastering layer order is essential when you want one shape, image, or text box to appear behind or in front of another. It keeps your slides clean, readable, and visually intentional, and it only takes a few clicks. Start by opening Figma and heading to the home screen. This is where all your files live, including your slide decks. If you're already inside another file, you can return to home from the top left navigation and then locate the presentation you want to edit. Next, open the slide deck you want to work on. Give it a moment to load and switch into slides if it doesn't open there by default. You'll see your slides arranged in the left panel with the current slide on the canvas. Choose the slide where you need to move objects. Click the thumbnail in the left sidebar to make sure you're working on the correct one. It helps to zoom in a bit so you can clearly see the objects you plan to reorder. Now click the object you want to move to the back. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box and handles appear around it. If multiple elements are grouped, you can double-click to drill into the group or use the Layers panel to select the exact item. To make the change obvious, drag that object so it overlaps with another object. This overlap creates a visual stack, making it much easier to see the difference when you change the order. With the object still selected, right-click on it and choose Send to Back. The selected object immediately moves behind all other objects on that slide. If you only need it one level down, you can use Send Backward instead, but Send to Back is perfect when you want it completely behind everything. Similarly, you can bring objects to the front. Select the item you want to highlight, right-click, and choose Bring to Front. This places it above all other elements so it's clearly visible. If needed, Bring Forward moves it up one layer at a time for finer control. A quick tip. The Layers panel on the left reflects this stacking order from top to bottom. You can drag layers up or down there to reorder them, and keyboard shortcuts for sending backward or forward can speed up your workflow. That's it. By navigating to your slide, overlapping elements, and using Send to back or bring to front, you can control exactly what appears on top and keep your slides looking crisp and professional.